Hi, I'm Lindsay with Laser Cut Quilts, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable unicorn in our Aqua colorway. I'm going to show you how to put this together using the laser cut pieces that are fused with FlexiFuse, the newest product that just hit the market. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start with this Aqua colorway of our unicorn. We're going to grab our pieces. And now each piece is already laser cut and fused with FlexiFuse. So our FlexiFuse here, it's a lightweight fusible, and it's super great because it is so lightweight that it's not going to gum up your needles, but it is still going to give you that consistency of a fusible, and it's going to be really great to iron down. So first thing, we're going to want to go ahead and snip out our pieces. So most of them have these little tabs just so that they don't get lost in shipping. Okay, so now that we've ironed all of our units onto our one head, I'm going to show you how to center your fabric on your layout guide. So we're going to turn this daylight light box on. And you're going to take your fabric and fold it in half one way, and then fold it in half the other way. And you're going to place it in this top corner right here. And line it up. And then you're going to carefully unfold it. And then we're going to pin it on all four corners just so that it doesn't move. You don't have to worry about your fabric moving. So now that we've pinned our background fabric to that layout guide, we're going to take our unicorn. We're going to line it up. Okay, and then once you have it lined up on your background fabric with the layout guide, we're going to move ours to our ironing table. And the nice thing about this paper is you can move it and none of your pieces are going to fall off, especially since we've already ironed the main pieces down. And when you iron it down, you're just going to take your iron and press it on top of your piece for about 5 to 8 seconds, leaning more towards the 8 seconds just because you can never be too cautious, and make sure that you've given your fusible enough time to fuse down. And once you do that, you'll have your finished project.